Good morning. This is your morning update for Dogecoin. This is just kind of the latest and greatest what's going on with Doge. We're going to look at the chart. We're going to look at the price. We've had a little bit of a pullback, just a little bit. We're down just about 4 cents right now as of this moment. And we're going to talk about where this is going to end up. As you know, this is a big week for Dogecoin. We've got a lot of moving parts going on to it. Elon doing his thing, Mark Cuban, Guy Fieri, Snoop Dogg. Somebody chimed in on a comment the other day. I had forgotten about Snoop Dogg to mention him. He was one of the first ones to talk about our beloved Dogecoin. So we're going to talk about all that as well as a few other little pieces of information. So this is your morning update for Doge. My name is Austin Hilton, and I'm a 30-plus year investor, and I'm here to help you, bringing you these videos to keep you up to date on what's going on. So consider subscribing, drop a like. If you get any value out of this, I would greatly appreciate it. It helps me, helps video, all that kind of stuff. And always remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. All right, let's go. Let's go check out what's going on with Doge right now. So as I mentioned, you can see the Dogecoin is currently trading at around 61 cents. It's down about 3 cents, a little bit, 5.88%. You know, I always like to look at the chart. The chart, we got some decent action going on here. We've got a little bit of an uptick in volume overall. We've got trading above the red, which is our 20-day moving average, our purple, which is above our 50-day moving average. That is good stuff. And look at the nice, beautiful little trend line we've got moving up. Got a little bit of pullback, as I mentioned, but for the most part, I think we're poised to go higher. I mean, here's what's happening, guys. I mean, we are absolutely, as y'all know, in the run-up to SNL and all of the media attention and all of the, I don't like to use the word hype, but all of the, let's call it attention. We got all the attention going on associated with Doge, everything that's going on with it. We've got, you know, Mark Cuban doing his thing, talking about us. Guy Fieri tweeted on, I think it was Monday or Tuesday, Doge to the moon. I'll show you that tweet here in a minute. I looked on Twitter just now and wasn't really anything major coming across Twitter related to Doge as of this minute. Again, I'll keep you updated if that does change. But you know, overall, I think this was a pretty much expected pullback. I don't even really know if pullback's the right word. I think we're really just kind of flat right now, and I think we're kind of getting ready to potentially hit a nice run maybe later today, tomorrow, and lead up to possibly $1 on Saturday. That seems to be kind of the barometer of what everybody thinks is going to happen. Now, I always like to say this because I care about you guys, and I'm here to protect you, and I want, you know, as much as I can, I want to keep you updated on the latest and greatest. My advice to you is this. Don't spend the kids' college fund to buy into Doge. Don't buy a bunch. Take a bullish position, even at now. This is still not bad. And you know, but we may have a scenario where we run up and we get some people that will sell off. I think that's kind of where we're at right now. I think we got a fair number of people that are selling. I think they're getting a little scared that that we may not make it to one, or if we get there, then they're worried about the sell-off, things like that. I mean, I started covering Dogecoin just on Saturday of this previous Saturday, 4 or 5 days ago. We were at 33 cents. That's the first video I did for Dogecoin on Saturday, and it's been crazy. You guys loving the vids. That's why I'm making them. But, we've almost doubled since Saturday to give you some perspective, okay? So I think overall you just need to be aware. That's kind of the game and what's going on. And you guys know I'm very bullish. I'm very long on Doge. I'm looking past the SNL Elon Musk thing. This is a long-term hold for me. It's a long-term hold for me for 3 reasons. I always mention this in my videos, but it's worth mentioning for those of you guys who are new to me. There's 3 reasons I love Dogecoin. Number 1, it is becoming an asset that people use daily to buy and sell goods. We've got Mark Cuban doing his thing with the Dallas Mavericks, 6,000 plus Dogecoin transactions. We had the Oakland A's. You can now buy seats and things like that with Dogecoin. We had the Rockets coming online to basically be able to use Dogecoin to buy, probably buy seats and goods and services. Like their merch, things like that. Who else did we have? KFC Canada, I've heard, is now taking it. I haven't seen proof of that yet. We have Guy Fieri doing his thing, talking about us and all that kind of stuff. I think we're going to see more and more and more of those scenarios where, we have people and companies starting to take it, as forms of payment. God love us if Amazon decides to take it. Secondly, we've got the celebrity factor. Obviously, we know what's going on there. We got Cuban, we got Elon doing his thing, we got Guy Fieri, we got Snoop Dogg, we got a lot of people that with their occasional tweets and their appearances on the Ellen Show where Mark did and SNL. We got a lot of stuff going on there where Doge continues to get this press. This free press, by the way, this free press related to it and bringing in more and more retail investors, more and more investors that are coming in and going, what the heck is this Doge thing? And overall, I think lifting cryptocurrency in general. So we got that. That's number two. Number three, we got us. We got the community. We got the Doge army. We got everything going on with us. And we are emotionally tied to this cryptocurrency and we are invested and we love this stuff. Okay, so I think, and that makes us want to buy more and makes us want to hold longer and makes us want to just be involved and really, care about the currency and all that kind of stuff. So that's all adding into that, guys. So let's move on real quickly. I love this. This Dogecoin is now worth more than SpaceX. You know what? Let's look at the market cap real quick. Let's see what that is. What is the market cap going on? All right, we dropped just a little bit from yesterday. I think we were at like 83 billion market cap. Now we're at 78.8. My goal is these guys, man. I want to surpass Binance and become the number 3 on there. And I think we're on the run. I think we've got a strong possibility of absolutely getting there in the very near future. Let me see if there's anything else here. This is interesting. The only reason I'm bringing you this little piece of information is I think that this really talks about the fact that we've got a whole new group of investors coming in and overall going on. I think the rally, I think the press, I think the media attention that's focused on Doge is bringing a ton of new people in who never understood this cryptocurrency thing, and now they're absolutely coming in and they're becoming part of the overall community and just coming in. Here's Guy Fieri's Twitter that he Twitter. Here's his tweet that he did. Flavor Town to the moon, tea out now. That's awesome. Actually, when I looked at this last night, I mentioned this last night in my midnight update. I didn't even look at this. I didn't see this t-shirt. That's pretty cool. So now accepting Doge, Flavor Town. There you go. Now officially accepting Doge. That's pretty cool. So I honestly flat missed that last night. I looked at this one last night and saw that he had tweeted it, but now his restaurant is accepting it. That's pretty darn cool. All right, so is Guy Fieri blamed for the record high? No, I don't think that Guy Fieri is blamed for the record high. I think that he's part of it, right? I think it's Elon, and to a lesser extent as well as as much it's Cuban, right? It's Cuban doing his thing and doing his thing. So let's see here how we looking as far as price. We're still down around 4 cents, almost 5 cents. This is one of those deals, guys, where I think we're gonna have a little bit of this today, maybe even into tomorrow, and then we could have a really, really serious spike moving forward pretty quickly. So I hope you enjoyed this. This was your morning update. I'll probably bring you another one in the afternoon and maybe even an evening one, and frankly, maybe even in a midnight update. I had over 8,000 views on my midnight update last night for Dogecoin. I did it about 11 o'clock, 10:30, 11 Central Time. Went to bed, thought I'd get maybe 500 views, woke up to 8,000 views. Crazy, 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 crazy. But I shouldn't have been surprised. Doge is international. Doge is global. So, and you've also got a lot of you guys, you night owls, sitting up and just refreshing your screens all the time. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later. Bye.